Hello, thank you for tuning in. Today I'll be showing you inside the box of an Akai MPK Mini. This stuff we are going to unbox is going to be fantastic and I just can't contain my enthusiasm. In order to stay abreast of our most recent unboxing videos, we ask that any viewers of this channel subscribe. This is what I purchased from Lazada. It's lightweight but not too flimsy. To be honest, I can't wait to get into this package. First things first, you need a cutter when unboxing. So I got one right here. Now this is the Akai MPK Mini. So let's go over it and let's unbox this thing. Now let's start at the top. You have to be careful. As you can see, this is the Akai MPK Mini. It says here that your hit song starts here. This is the website. I'm going to go. Now there are two tapes here. Let's cut through this one. Okay. Whoa. This is the actual thing. Inside, you can see a plastic cover. Look at this one, the Akai actual keyboard. This one. And there's a USB cable. And a manual, I think. So this is it. There are 3 items in the box. I have here the manual, the cable that connects to, that lets you connect from the Akai to the PC or laptop, and the actual keyboard. Remove the plastic cover. And we're just gonna have to feel the keyboards. Wow. Keyboard are soft to touch, and the keys are of good quality. It's lightweight, must have been made of plastic. It's lightweight but not of cheap feel. We're going to test the knobs. Knobs are also of high quality. Let's test the pads. So far so good. Okay. We're going to connect this to the computer. Let's test this out. Just gonna go get the cable. Cable must have been 1 meter long. So this one right here goes to here. Okay. Thank you for watching my unboxing video, and if you want to keep posted about videos like this one, smash that notification bell. Please consider subscribing to keep you posted. Thank you.